Changing security settings on Samsung Pay is essential for ensuring your financial information remains safe. Follow these steps to adjust your security preferences. Step 1. Open Samsung Pay. Launch the Samsung Pay app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your Samsung account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines or the menu icon in the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings to enter the configuration options. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Security option. Tap on it to view and modify the security features available for your Samsung Pay account. Step 4. Adjust security features. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Save changes. After making your desired adjustments, make sure to save any changes by tapping the Save button or confirming your selections. This ensures that your new security settings are applied. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and enhance the security of your Samsung Pay account. Regularly reviewing these settings can help keep your financial information secure.